In grade 7 math, the properties of equality are rules that help you solve equation. They tell you what you can do both sides of the equation without changing its value. Let's say, for example, addition property of equality. If you add the same number to both sides of the equation stays true. Example number 1. X minus 5 is equals to 12. So, we need to solve this equation by applying the addition property of equality. So, we bring down x minus 5. See, the opposite of minus 5 or negative 5 is positive 5. Equals, bring down 12, add positive 5. So, therefore, we add both sides of the equation by positive 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then simplify. Bring down x. This one cancel. Equals 12 plus 5, we have 17. So therefore, the value of x is equals to 17. The next one we have subtraction property of equality. If you subtract the same number from both sides of the equation stays true. Example, x plus 9 is equals 20. To solve this equation, we have to subtract negative 9 from both sides of the equation. So therefore, bring down x plus 9 minus 9 equals, bring down 20, then minus 9. Simplify, we have x, positive 9 minus 9 is 0. So therefore, cancel this one, bring down equals, then 20 minus 9, we have 11. In multiplication property of equality class, if you multiply both sides by the same number, the equation stays true. Example, x over 4 is equals to 6. To solve this equation or to find the value of our x, simple, we need to apply the multiplication property of equality. So therefore, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 4. So x over 4, copy, times 4 is equals 6 times 4. Simplify, 4 times x, we have 4x over 4 equals 6 times 4, we have 24. 4 divided 4, we have 1. Then just bring down x is equals to 24. Therefore, the value of our x is equals to 24. By applying multiplication property of equality, we get the value of our x. The next property we have, number 4, division property of equality. Division property of equality. If you divide both sides by the same non-zero number, the equation stays true. Example, 7x is equals to 35. So we need to divide both sides by 7 to get the value of x. Therefore, divide 7 divided by 7. Cancel. Bring down x is equals 35 divided by 7 is equals to 5. So we find the value of our x by applying the division property of equality. Next property, we have reflexive property of equality. Reflexive property of equality. So a number is equal to itself. So therefore, A is equals to A. Example. We have another. We have 10 is equals to 10. Because class, a number is equal to itself. This is reflexive property of equality. Number 6. We have symmetric property of equality. If one value equals another, you can switch them. If one value equals another, you can switch them. Example, we have x is equals to 8. Then, 8 equals to x. This is symmetric property of equality. Again ha, if one value equals another, then you can switch them. Example, A is equals to B, then therefore B is equals to A. Just switch them. Okay, the last we have the transitive property of equality. If two things are equal to the same thing, they are equal to each other. Example, number 7. Okay, for transitive property of equality, if two things are equal to the same thing, they are equal to each other. Example, A equals to B, then B is equals to C, then we have A is equals to C. Example, we have X is equals to 4, and 4 is equals to Y, then therefore X is equals to Y. Another example number 1. Example number 2. If Y is equals to 4 and 4 is equals to Z, then therefore Y is equals to Z. These are the following examples of transitive property of equality.